In this video, I'll show you how to detach and then reattach the detachable face on your Pioneer DEH-S1200UB. To detach the face, it's really simple. There's a button over here on the bottom right corner. Press that in, and you'll see that the face comes forward and begins to detach immediately. To detach the face, gently lift up on the right-hand corner, and then the face will come right off in your hand. To reattach the face, I'm going to line up these tabs over on the left-hand side with these notches on the face. So you put the left-hand side of the face in first, and then snap the right-hand side into place. And you'll see that the system will power right up.